Hey guys, two awesome products today. We're going to tell you the differences. Did you know Terro has a big brother? Stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com, where we talk everything professional pest control and tell you how to use those products to get rid of those pesky little insects, creatures, whatever you may have going up in that casa. Today we are going to talk about a product that you love, but we're going to talk about that product's big brother that you may not even know about.
I have a brother.
Terro. You use it, you love it, it wipes the ants out. It's a bait for those sugar-based ants going after the carbohydrates. But did you know that it has a big brother called DominAnt? Let's talk about that. DominAnt is also a gel-based product. It is for those sugar-feeding, carbohydrate-feeding ants. So let's talk about the pros, the cons. What are the differences? If you like Terro, why should I jump over to DominAnt, or should I stick with Terro? Okay, guys, they have the same active ingredient, 5.4% of that borax. It's the same in the DominAnt. It's the same in the Terro. So no change there. They both come in the same style container. Here's one of the differences, and I'm going to show you this. Terro, if you've used it, I don't have that with me. It peels back, exposes a little pool. They all jump in for a splash, take a bath, take it back, wipe out the colony. DominAnt, if you look at this, I'm going to come up to the camera, it has two little entry points. So when you break these apart, these are separate, it has two different entries that they can go into. Now, I don't know if this is a special club membership and that's why it's like that, and the other one's more public with Terro. I don't know. You make the call. I don't think it makes a difference, but they do have two different entry points. Like I said, it's a sweet bait. They're both labeled for indoors and outdoors. So ants up on that countertop, like we've showed you, pop it, let them feed, get the greed, go back and wipe them out, okay? Now, the target ants that these go over, and I think we've talked about this in previous videos, it's going to be your Argentine ants, your odorous house ants, it's going to be your ghost ants, your little black ants, your pavement ants. What this and Terro are not going to be good for are carpenter ants, fire ants, big-headed ants. There's so many ants I'm racking my brain, but each one of those I just mentioned, etc., etc., etc. But they're protein-based, the carpenter, the big-headed, and the fire ant. So these, no bueno for that. Terro, no bueno for that. Now, they're both made by Nisus. So they come from the same manufacturer. So there's no difference there. Sometimes we give you a difference, different manufacturers, different proprietary ingredients, made by the same place. Nisus comes out with fantastic products because you like Terro, so you already know how fantastic it is. This is, like I said, just their big brother, DominAnt. Now, what is the difference between these two? We have searched. We have searched. Believe me, we've searched. We've even contacted professionals out there and asked them. We finally found out what the difference is on these two. DominAnt is going to not dry up or crystallize as fast as Terro. So this is where this makes a difference. Indoors, normal temperatures, your house isn't an oven because you have a wife that doesn't believe in AC, you're going to want the DominAnt, the one that's going to hold up longer. But where you're really going to want the DominAnt is outside where it's hot. So if it's an outside issue, I would probably go DominAnt. If it's an inside issue, I would go to Terro because I know I'm going to get that product to last longer. So introducing DominAnt to you today, telling you the difference between that and Terro. If you have any questions, guys, reach out to us, comment in the sections below, or give us a call. We're happy to answer either way, and we'll explain anything that you may have a question to. We're going to put links below to DominAnt. We'll probably go ahead and throw Terro down there too, but we have showed you a video on that, and it is on our website, howtopest.com. So just go there, howtopest.com, to grab your DominAnt and run with the one that works best for you, the Terro or the DominAnt, depending on your situation. So Craig here again, howtopest.com. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. I know sometimes they're cheesy and you listen to my jokes. I do the best I can, man. I am what I am. Smash, comment, Like, that's about it, guys. Have a great day. Craig again, howtopest.com.